Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to go, or how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to help you give enough information to get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do an awesome job on it. I have a state report graphic organizer that I have for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think that might be something that you want or need, I'm going to put a direct link for it in the comments section down below. Now, this video is specifically tailored for students who are doing their project on the state of Iowa. Iowa became the 29th state to join the Union on December 28, 1846. The original governor was a guy named Ansel Briggs. We know today that the capital of Iowa is Des Moines, but that wasn't always the case. In fact, Iowa's original capital was a place called Burlington. The state flag is an unequal vertical tricolor of blue, white, and red. Within the white stripe, the whitest of the three is an eagle that's charged with blue streamers on its beak. Upon the words, "Our liberties we prize, and our rights we will maintain," are inscribed. The state bird is the American goldfinch. The state tree is the oak tree. The state flower is the wild rose. And the state nickname is the Hawkeye State. Now, hopefully this is enough information to get that ball rolling, take it, run with it, do a good job. You've got this. Till next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.